Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the 10 basic laws of indices. Now indices are important in solving problems, especially complex problems involving powers. Now let x raised to m be our expression. It is expressed in index form. X is called the base, while m is called the exponent or the power or the index. Now, let us look at the first law. X power 0 is equal to 1. That means any number raised to 0 is equals to 1. For example, 2 raised to 0 is equals to 1, 27 raised to 0 is equals to 1, 200 raised to 0 is equals to 1, where x is not equal to 0. Now, law number 2, when multiplying the same bases, we add the power. So x raised to n times x power m is equals to x power m plus n. Now, example, 2 raised to 4 times 2 raised to 5 is equals to 2 raised to 4 plus 5, which is 2 raised to 9 or 2 power 9. Now, law number 3, when dividing the same bases, we subtract the powers. That means x power n divided x power m is equals to x power n minus m. Now, example, we can have 2 power 8 divide 2 power 4. This equals to 2 power 8 minus 4, which is 2 power 2. 2 power 4, 2 power 4. Now, law number 4, we have the base x power m, then the whole of it raised to m or exponent n. That means we are going to multiply the two powers m and n. So x raised to m times n. So example, 3 power 2 power 3 is equals to 3 power 2 times 3, which is 3 power 6. Now, the fifth law, x raised to negative n or x raised to a power of negative n. This is equals to 1 over x power n but positive, where x is not equal to 0. So example, you can have 2 raised to negative 1, which is equal to 1 over 2 raised to 1, which is a half. Now, law number 6, we have x times y raised to n. That means x and y have the same power. This is equals to x power n then times y power n. Example, you can have 4 times 2 raised to 2, which is the same as 4 raised to 2 or power 2 times 2 power 2, which is 16 times 4. Now we have the seventh law, which is x over y raised to n. This means It is x power n over y power n. As simple as that. Example, you can have 3 over 5 power 2. This is the same as 3 power 2 over 5 power 2, which is 9 over 25. Now, the eighth law, we have x over y, then power negative n. Now, in this, we have to reciprocate this to be y over x, then raised to or power positive, and so this negative changes to positive. Now, example, we have 3 over 7 raised to negative 2. It will be 7 over 3 raised to positive 2 or power positive 2, which is 7 power 2 over 3 power 2 is equals to 49 over 9. You have the second last law, which is x raised to or power m over n. This means it will be the nth root of x, raised to m. For example, we can have 27 power 2 over 3. This is the same as the cube root of 27, then squared, like that. Then you have the 10th law, which is x over y raised to negative n over n. So we have to reciprocate this one first. It will be y over x raised to or power positive n over m, just like that. So the example here can be 8 over 27 power negative 2 over 3. It will be 27 over 8 power positive 2 over 3, which is the cube root of 27 over 8, then squared. We will get 9 over 4. So those are the 10 basic laws of indices. In our next videos, from video 1 to 5, that is example 1 to 5, we'll be doing the examples involving or problems involving indices.